Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about how to start a business or dream without any money. Even if you're starting with $0, I guarantee you that the advice that I will be giving you in this video can alter the direction of your life. So please listen up. The only way you can ever start your dream without having any money at all, besides having a job, is to work for free. You have to volunteer yourself so that you can understand exactly how to work without worrying about money. Now you might be saying, Daniel, this doesn't make sense at all. There is no way that I'm gonna give my time to these people at that place without any money at all. Well, my friends, that's exactly what I'm telling you to do. This is exactly what I did when I decided to start my dream. Because I knew that if I had worked another dead-end job, then it would just steal my time and it would keep me in the same place again. Now I knew that the only way that I could break through is to figure out exactly where it was I wanted to be. And even if I had to work for free, at least it was a place where I could learn. At least it was a place that I belonged. At least it was a place where I can grow. And that's the difference between the person that you are right now and the person that you want to be. Now, I'm talking to the people who are starting with nothing. And if you know you're starting with nothing and you're agitated by this situation, then it's time to make some changes. It's time to volunteer. It's time to give yourself up. Because if you just work a job for money, then that's all you're ever going to get. You're gonna work this dead-end job and you're just gonna be stuck in this little cycle making money. And all you're gonna do is pay your bills, but like I always say, if all you wanna do is pay your bills, that's all you end up doing. And that's what most people do. That's the same reason why 99% of people are middle class or poor. But if you wanna make a massive change, you've gotta ask yourself, where do I wanna be? What kind of skills do I actually need? How can I put myself in that place so that I can develop those skills? Because if you develop the skills, you will be able to pay the bills. You see, you need the skills to pay the bills. You cannot pay the bills without any skills. No one is gonna hire you if you don't have any skills at all. But if you're well-rounded and you have a multitude of skills that the marketplace actually needs, then everybody will run after you with cash. Everybody will try to pay you. They will look for your direct deposit and enter money into your bank account. And the reason is because you've demanded and commanded wealth into your life. But you have to start for free. You have to be real with yourself if you want other people to be real with you. And the only way to do this is to not have any expectations or reservations. For example, there was a man who reached out to me on Instagram. And he said, I am in your area. I'm a detailer. He basically details cars. And he asked me to come out so that he can detail my car for free. I thought to myself, here's a young man, he's trying to work. It was during the coronavirus, so I'm thinking to myself, you know what? I do need a car wash and I could use the services. Now, he was adding value to me and he had no expectation of getting paid except that he would take a picture of my car. I thought to myself that was a pretty fair trade. And I decided to take him on. Little did he know that when he did an exceptional job, I was able to pay him a smooth $100. I also gave him a word of advice and shared my books because I knew that this man was going somewhere. This is exactly what I did when I started, and this is what I recommend to you if you're starting out right now. There is no better time to begin than now. Now is a time for you to take massive action. If you find yourself sitting around unmotivated, but you have skills and you have something that's deep within you that you know can be transferred into the marketplace for value, then money will flow into your direction. If you give your time and energy, then you will easily get the money. My friends, this is Daniel Alley, and I just shared with you exactly how to get started with $0. If you like this video, make sure to share it with someone that absolutely needs it. Also, subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment in the section below saying yes if this video has helped you. My friends, this is Daniel Alley, and I look forward to watching you build your dreams forever. Take care.